Let's see how easily you can create this edit in Filmora application. Start from uploading black screen and then your videos. Add music. Add beats to your music. Now synchronize clips with beat. Split as the beat changes. Make sure all reclips are of 16:9 ratio. This is how you can sync all clips. From the spot the beat gets loud and fast, I added to videos an overlay of main track video. Position as the beat struck. Now apply mirror mask to each clip like this. And then drag towards the left side. This is how it should look like. Here the beat gets slower, so I slowed the speed KF clip. At random position, add back stock image. To give this trailer a filmy look, I used Roboto T font style. And later used OpenSense R. At the end, I gave filter called Dead Army to all the clips. That's it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.